8mm wrench to take this off, or socket, keep well. Man, there's all kinds of stuff hooked up to this. Of course, nothing works easy. It's not connected, is it? It's just laying there. Oh, yeah. Always something. Always something. I've never taken one of these apart like this before. I don't know how this system works. That just comes up. I'm gonna have to go get the old pliers. Alright, this is supposed to just slide right off, but I think because it's got all this corrosion on here, it's creating some issues. Which is the story of my life when it comes to doing this kind of stuff. Yeah, this is supposed to just slide. This piece slides right up. It's at an angle. There we go. So that's up. There we go. This big ass piece of shit. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Alright, I just finished up on this. So hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out. Final product.